Hello everyone, here we are going to conduct the softening point of bitumen. Aim of the experiment to determine the softening point of bitumen. Let us know what the experiment is. Softening point helps to known temperature up to which a bituminous binder should be heated for various road applications. Apparatus: steel balls 2 numbers each of 9.5 mm diameter. Brass rings 2 numbers each having depth of 6.4 mm. Thermometer that can be read up to 100 degrees centigrade. Water bath, a heat resistant glass beaker not less than 85 mm in diameter and 1220 mm in depth. Stirrer stand. Let us move to the procedure. Take some amount of lubricant and apply on the smooth surface. Then only the bitumen cannot stick on the surface. Now take the grease and also apply to the rings and place the rings on the greased surface. Now take bitumen jar and heat up to 100 to 110 degrees centigrade. Then the bitumen comes to fluid state. Now pour the bitumen into the rings and keep those rings in room temperature up to 30 minutes. Care must be taken while pouring the bitumen into the brass rings. Carefully place the rings on a steel plate. After 30 minutes, place the bitumen rings in a water bath for 30 to 40 minutes and maintain the temperature as 27 degrees to 29 degrees centigrade. Now fill the water in a glass beaker up to 500 ml and add the ice cubes in a glass beaker. After 30 minutes, take the sample from the water bath. Now place the sample rings on the top of the larger diameter rings and press the rings to fit. And place the balls on the sample and insert the thermometer properly. Finally, the setup should be placed in a water beaker. Now insert the stirrer in the glass beaker. The stirrer should be rotated till the end of the experiment to maintain the uniform temperature. Initially keep the temperature at 5 degrees centigrade and start the experiment. Simultaneously start the stopwatch. We need to increase the temperature of 5 degrees centigrade for every 5 minutes. Here we observe clearly, as the temperature increases, the bitumen gets to softening stage. When the ball touches the bottom plate, we need to record the temperature for ball number 1 and ball number 2. The ball number 1 and 2 touches at the temperature of 44 degrees centigrade and 46 degrees centigrade respectively. Now take the average of these two temperatures. Here we got 45 degrees centigrade.